imibuzo minengi ivela ngapha nangapha. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekani ngenyanga kaMhlolanja ngo-2020 eplasini lekamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa. Ivekele umnqophisi zombelele walokhuya wephiko lezobuhloli Fraser uvulele umengameli amacala wobulelesi. Uthi batsho kwetjelwa imali engaphezulu kwe $4 million eplasini lakhe iphalaphala. uFraser uthi umengameli uyabandakanyeka ukuhobeleni ukusebenza komthetho, ukuthunjwa kwabasola, ukuchuka ngemibuzo, ukufumbathisa kunye nokuvala amahlazo wobulelesi emapholiseni. Kodwana umengameli uyayiphika indaba kaFraser. Umengameli uphendule izwangobatjho ngokuthi ayikho kokungabi khona indaba ekhulunywa nguFraser. Ukhulumeli umengameli uthi isizathu sokuthi kungavezwa tshachalazi indaba yobulelesi eplasini likamengameli ukuthi kwenzeke endaweni yangeqadi ingasi endaweni yevikeleko lenarha. Umengameli uphikise nenani lemali elibikwe nguFraser.
Correct. It's not $4 million. We don't know where Mr. Fraser gets that number from. And the reason why we cannot give a number now is because this is an incident that happened two years ago. So we have to go back and go through the records and the invoices to look at that period in terms of sales so that we can come to a number.
uFraser wasuswa emsebenzini wakhe wephiko lezobuhloli wachingiswa emnyangweni wozokuhlenga kwesimilo ngosihlabantangana ngomnyaka 2018. Kanti uFraser nguye onikele umengameli walokhuya wenarha uJacob Zuma iparoli yokugula ngomnyaka opheleleko. Umqozululo wezepolitiki uthi akarareki ngalokho kwenziwe nguFraser.
I'm actually not surprised with the claims by Fraser because in my view those that appears to be against Ramaphosa or who want to influence the conference come December appears to be quite predictable. And one of the things that are actually doing is exactly what Fraser is actually participating in doing.
Njeke konke kusezandleni zamaziko wezomthetho ukuthi baqinisekise izwangobatjho yobulelesi okuthiwa umengameli ube ingcenye yabo. Kanti uFraser uthi iqiniso lizokuphuma begodu nguye okhuluma iqiniso. Uthi unobufakazi obuqinileko kubalwa inthombe, iaccount yebhanka, amavideo kunye namagama.